Hello guys, so in this video I'm going to show you how you can remove all the cookies in your Chrome and check the websites which are using your cookies and you don't want to, and you can remove all that. So you need to open the Chrome. Here right click on the three dots here. You can see right top corner three dots and go to settings. On the settings you can see left side panel here, and here you need to go on privacy and security. Here you need to scroll down a bit. You can see third party cookies here. After that you can see all sites data and permission. Click on that, and I don't use Chrome that much, so you can also only see these two options here. And if you see a lot of options, for example, I don't like this audio relay to use my cookie, I can do delete and delete. Or you can also check the websites, all the websites you are using your cookies, and you can remove them. And also here you can remove all the data and remove all the cookies. And by this you can remove all the cookies in your device or websites which are using your cookies. And if this video is helpful, please like, share and subscribe. Thanks. Have a nice day.